Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you that what thing I got from Nykaa, and yeah, my parcel. I have received my parcel. So yeah, basically this is kind of a mini Nykaa haul. And so yeah, let's get started. Before starting this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's start. First thing I want to say about this. This is rose water from Morpain. I really like it. The fragrance is very nice and it suits my skin, so because of that. And the which one I'm using is mostly half, not like less than the half. So yeah, basically I really like it. And whichever product I'm showing it, I'm trying it. It's new things which I'm trying it, and I will try it and I will surely review about it in my channel also. I got this 4 product from Dot & Key, so I will also tell about this, the what thing I got from. So yeah, this is the product from Dot & Key, this toner, and this is Dot & Key Watermelon Super Glow Pore Tightening Toner. This is the bottle, and I really love the packaging. It looks so cool, so luxurious. I really like this packaging. So yeah, the second one which I got is this serum, this niacinamide serum. This is basically for spot corrector. I got 2-3 pimples, so because of that I got some acne marks. So I just want to try this product and see if it works magically or not. Dot & Key packaging are very cool. I really like this. And yeah, this is the product. Consistency is very running kind of. This is not kind of oil based or gel based. This is running based serum. Vitamin C and vitamin E in super bright moisture. So I really like this because as I told you that I have acne mark, so I just want to try something vitamin C. So yeah, after that I'm using this Dot & Key. It is basically stroke cream, and so I thought that let's see. I have tried this skincare. Let's see that how this stroke cream works on my skin. So packaging is really nice. This is vitamin B and niacinamide stroke cream. So basically the packaging look like this. I really love the packaging. Yeah, they are very cute. How the product looks. Product look like this. I will surely review about whichever product I'm showing you. I will surely review it, and I will show you that does this really work or not. So surely I will provide the recommendation also. So yeah, the other thing which I got is this papaya vitamin C brightening SPF sunscreen. This is kind of stick. So this is basically called sun stick to provide and hydrate your this. Wow, packaging is so cool. Yellow and orange combination. We have these two I got from the sample. So this is Aqualogica night gel, and the second one which is C face wash from Dot & Key. So the other product which I want to show you is this foundation from Tirtir or Turtur. I don't know how to pronounce it, but basically and my shade is natural beige. My shade is natural beige. So yeah, let's try it. The packaging is so cute. It so look luxurious, so cute. I really like the color also. It's cherry red. I really like this packaging. Wow, it looks so amazing. Packaging is so nice. The product is like this. I will surely provide a review on this foundation. This is new product which I'm trying, so surely I will review on my channel also. I really like the body scrub from Nykaa, this Himalayan flavor. So I'll show you that how it looks. The texture, I think this is sugar or I don't know, salt. This look like this. So yeah, that's all for mini Nykaa haul. I hope you have liked it my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.